皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means included. Its kunbidin is ko. That's all. The stroke order of this Kanji is this. So last time you've learned 持ち出し禁止. That means prohibited taking something out. Right? On the other hand, 持ち込み禁止 means prohibited bringing something in. Usually the restaurants prohibit bringing own food into the restaurant, right? So that's 持ち込み禁止。飲食物持ち込み禁止。Other examples like ペット持ち込み禁止 for the department store or 危険物持ち込み禁止 especially at the airport. Okay, here what you see this kanji on the street. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。